I'm Sal. Thanks for checking out the video. We're back in the truck again today, trying to clean up this wiring for the Carplay in my head unit. As you can see now, the wiring just kind of comes out in the footwell, and it works, but I'm not a huge fan of how it looks. So, huge thanks to Gurf Wars for commenting on one of my other videos and putting me onto this. I just got it on Amazon for $9, and it's a male to female USB port that takes the place of one of your cigarette lighters. I was looking for a way to, hide this in one of the cigarette lighters, and I didn't know that one of these existed. So I was super pumped that he commented that. Thanks again, and I want to share it with you guys because I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna install it in the bottom cigarette lighter down here, and hopefully everything works well. Okay, I thought it'd be worthwhile showing how these 12-volt outlets are removed. So, again, I'm doing this bottom one here. If we pop off these two wires up top, try and do this one-handed, and just slide right out, then you can see that there's the actual cigarette lighter itself, and then this black bracket that has to come out also. So, the way to do it is actually from the front, and you can see there's these little holes on both sides of the metal cigarette lighter itself, and there'll be a little tab that you have to press in. For mine, it's only on one of them, on one of the sides, but you press in the tab, and then this silver thing can actually slide out the front. So I'm gonna try and get my camera angle of myself doing this, but that's what you're gonna end up doing. Okay, next we'll run the wire through the hole, and then we'll install the locking ring on the back side to get everything tightened down. Okay, cool. So I got it in. I just kind of like pushed and twisted so the threads could maybe help get it in. I was just worried to push so hard because the whole thing was flexing, but I just pushed a little bit harder, and then once I got it going, it just slid the rest of the way in. So next up is putting on the backing nut. So just slide it onto the wire. Now I'll just connect the wire coming from the head unit to the wire going to this the port, and voila, should be good to go. Okay, so we got the panel put back, we got the lightning cable plugged in, and the head unit is booted up. If I plug in, it should do CarPlay. Nice, awesome. I am super pumped with that. It looks super clean, really quick, easy install. Thanks again to Gurf Wars for telling me about this, and I'll make sure to have it linked in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.